Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. In this session, we will see Python variables, expressions, and keywords. Before starting learning any programming language, we must know what kind of different variables are present, what is the semantic, that how we write the expression and the other code. So, variable and expressions and keywords we will see in this lecture. Variable in Python. A variable, as the name indicates, is something whose value is changeable over time. A value is stored in a memory location, and variable is the name given to the memory location to retrieve the value. Suppose this is a memory, and inside this there is a location where we will store a value, say 30. Now we will assign a variable name. Let us say A. Now the value of A is equal to 30. So this is the implication of a variable. Next time the value of A can be changed to 20, to 10, or anything, depend upon our requirement. So anything that changes its value is known as variable. Rules for writing identifiers or variables. Python is case sensitive, so it means if we write small letter name and the capital letter name, both are different in Python. Following are the rules for defining any variable in Python. Identifier. Here identifier means a variable or a class name as well. Identifier can contain combination of uppercase and lowercase letter, digits, or an underscore. Second, identifiers cannot start with digit. So, while variable 1 is valid and one variable is not valid, we cannot use special symbols like exclamation hash at the rate $% in our identifier. Identifier can be of any length. Let us understand these rules. So friends, we will declare a variable here. So first rule says we can use underscores along with uppercase or lowercase letters. Let me say var underscore name 1 equal to, let me say, note code. So no error if I print this. Say var score name and simply run. So in the console we have seen the output. No issue in this var name. Now it says it can be the combination of, let me use the var underscore name let me use hey. Now we just print var name and run. Again, no issue. This is the valid statement. We can use in variable name the small letter underscore name. We can use capital letter as well underscore name. What we cannot use is any number cannot start, or any variable cannot start with number. So if I say 1, 2, 3 var underscore name is equal to, let me say, word, and if I try to print this, it is already showing error here, but I want to show you how it prints the error. Say underscore, what was that? var underscore name. So we'll just save and we'll try to run. So friends, you will see in your console, it is showing these syntax errors, invalid syntax. So this kind of variable name declaration is not valid in Python. You cannot declare a variable that starts with any number. Let me comment this. And one more important thing I would like to tell, how we use comment in this Python statement. How to comment any statement, we will use hash. Now, whatever is written after this hash symbol will not be read by the interpreter. Just comment. So we will just simply comment this. Now, if I use any special character and I want to initialize it, say by integer, and I want to print it. So friends, here also I am getting syntax error, invalid syntax. Now Python says that we cannot declare any variable name that starts with special character, exclamation mark, hash, or @ dollar or percentage. We need to follow rules for defining an identifier or a variable or a class. Now moving forward, keywords in Python. Python keywords are the words that are reserved in nature, which means we cannot use them for the variable, class, and function declaration. These are the words also known as reserved words. As Python reserved for itself, we cannot use these reserved words in class, function, or variable declaration. The Python interpreter will throw errors in that case. I'll comment this line, and we know they are the reserved words which are, say, let me say global. Now global is a function here. If I try to use global and I give any name, say any name equal to say Adam, right? And I want to print it, this one. So what is saying that? Invalid syntax. Now, when you put your cursor over the global, you will see it is highlighted with a blue color. It means this word is the reserved keyword with the Python, and Python will not compile this word for the user. Nextly, if I use say and, now and is also a reserved word, so it is getting highlighted with blue color. And any reserved word in the Python will get highlighted with blue color. So it is recommended not to use the keyword or the reserved word while declaring class, variable, or the function name in Python. Thank you friends for watching this video. Stay tuned for next lecture. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe our channel for further updates.